Hey everybody, Erica from BioLite here, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Solo Kit. This is a limited edition kit exclusively in the month of September for Preparedness Month. This is our smallest kit designed to be a light and fast solution, ideally for one, maybe two people, and it's really meant to be mobile. This is easily packable. You can throw it in a go bag, throw it in, your emergency kit in the back of your car or in your closet. Let's dig into why this is a great solution for being on the move. First up, we've got the Headlamp 330. This is a USB rechargeable 330 lumen headlamp, and it's designed to give you comfortable hands-free lighting. This is really useful for things like wayfinding, moving through your house if all the lights are out, or if you're actually on the go and you need to be out on the road. This is going to give you really helpful personal illumination. The front bezel tilts downward at 4 different angles, which means you can direct the light where you need it. So it could be really helpful for something like task lighting, cooking a meal, looking at a map, or it could be good for making sure that you can see what's underfoot, again, if you're on the move and potentially in uneven terrain. Let's say that you need less of a headlamp and you need more ambient lighting. The included light diffusing stuff sack is actually going to transform your headlamp into a hanging light bulb. For supplemental light, we've got the Sunlight. This is a 100 lumen solar rechargeable light. So this is one of my favorite items in our prep lineup because it's a great alternative to candles. Number 1, it's not gonna melt. Number 2, there's no open flame. And number 3, it doesn't run out because it's got the integrated solar panel. So this can charge up from the sun during the day and then keep you powered at night. Over here, we've got the Charge 20. So this is a power bank, 5,200 milliamps, good for up to 2 phone charges, IPX6 rating. This comes in handy because a lot of the time when the grid is down, cell phone towers are actually still functional. So it's a great way to keep in touch with friends and family. And not only can you charge phones, you can charge things like your Headlamp 330, which is USB rechargeable. Lastly, over here, we have a special edition from our friends over at LifeStraw. This is the LifeStraw Original. It is an individual water filtration system. It is literally a straw. You just drink directly from the source, and it's gonna filter out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. This is gonna filter up to 1,000 gallons, and so this is a great complement to your energy supply because you are also gonna need personal energy in the way of food and safe water. So there you have it. This is the Solo Kit from BioLite, special exclusive pricing this September only. Get it now and be prepared.